Peace, assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena Rashid. This is one of the Christmas warmers. See what the name of it is. Deck the Halls. This is called Deck the Halls. And this is one of the few warmers that's still left from the Christmas line. And I'm going to show you how you can make a gift out of a warmer. So the box that it came in, I just tucked the cord down inside the box. I left a little bit of it out. So when I plug it in, people will know what it looks like plugged up, right? So I thought of that later on. I didn't used to always leave part of the cord out. That was something new I started, I guess, this year maybe? This year, last year, whichever. Okay, so I kind of pre-cut the cellophane and I pre-did a bow. I have a florist background, so the reason why I joined Scentsy is to make gift sets out of Scentsy products, warmers and wax with wrapped up as a gift. So generally, I wrap from the back first. And what I did, this was kind of hanging a little bit, and it's a little piece of stem on here, and I just pushed the stem inside the little handle that's on there, so that makes it sit up. Sit up better. So you just wrap that around in front, and then you pull the front part around to the back. And I pre-did the bow. This is a nylon ribbon, and it's wired. So if it gets smashed a little bit, you can always just fluff it back up. I like wired ribbon more than just regular satin ribbon, because if it gets crushed and it's done. There's nothing you can do. You just basically have to toss it. And you kind of tie it twice, and it won't come away. Straighten that part up. Then you can do a little curl on your ribbon on the ends there, make it cutesy. If you want to do a hang tag on here, you can do a hang tag to and from. I generally stick my card in so people know where it came from. So I'll do that before I finish wrapping it all up. But I'm going to plug this in so you can see what it looks like. So when I do my events, I can light it up so people can see what it looks like lit up. And I found this at the Dollar Tree, and I was thinking of this basket when I purchased it. It's so cute. It has a little bell on it. And so I'm just going to tuck this in up here at the top for a little added design. Isn't that cute? So, I mean, it's so many different things that you can do with Scentsy products. You can do this with any of the warmers, any price point. So they have warmers from $30 and up that light up, and all the way up to $50, $60 if that's what you want to spend on it. But the ones that's more, of course, they're more intricate. They're maybe hand done with glass or something like that. So they have all different price points. But this one is just a really pretty one if you're interested in something that's Christmassy. All right, peace. Assalamu alaikum.